I have some easy chords that I start you out with, and then we build. So Dylan actually played the full chords. It's evidence that you can use a slight variation in an easier chord and still play the song. How many roads must a man walk down before you call him a man? Really user friendly. You just set for the beats per minute and then you hit play and it'll do a click for you. How many roads must a man walk down before you call him a man? The answer, my friend, is blowing in the wind. The answer is blowing in the wind. But you can see there, with just those beats, you know, where it's just keeping that time for me. I kind of do like I said, if you just lightly kiss with that upstroke. And then you'll get more comfortable, you know, and you can. But keeping that, having that metronome